Hey guys, welcome to my summer house tour 2018. So I'm just gonna go and show you all my decorations for this home tour for summer. Okay, I'm gonna start with my room. It's my room. Of course, I have a separate room tour, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. But yeah, so let me just show you all the new things I have since last time I did one of these house tours. This pillow I hauled in the Dollar Tree haul, but it's actually Walmart, but I hauled it in a Dollar Tree haul. Probably seen it. It was my last video that I posted before this one. This pillow is so freaking cute. It's a huge, long pillow from Walmart. And yeah, it's zebra print, or cheetah, what do you want to call it? Leopard, whatever. I think zebra, right? And it's rainbow colored, so it's so me. So I got this new. So that's just going to be for the foreseeable future. What else is new since last time? Okay, I think that's about it since last time I showed you guys. Oh, I did some moving around of things. Oh, by the way, I added this. This used to be in my closet. Now, and then I put it over here. And then I moved it from here to here. So that's there. I usually keep my purses there. Short purses, smaller purses there, and then big purses I put there when I'm not using it. You know, the purse of the day. But anyway, and this is something new. So I'm doing a whole updated storage, Bath & Body Works storage video. Maybe like next month, once I'm done hauling all this SAS stuff and summer stuff. Maybe mid-July I'll do that for you guys. Because that has been requested. As a little sneak peek of that. The only thing new would be these stuff. I got 2 of these drawers from Walmart. And as you can see, I have all the Bath & Body Works stuff. Well, not all of it, but all the stuff that I've gotten recently during SASs, most of it. Some stuff I've used and I've put back in the shelf. But this is the majority of it. Some candles, lotions, and stuff like that. These are $8 each at Walmart, you guys. So get these drawers. They're great for storage. And they also have it in black, too. And I think online they have it in like a pretty like turquoise blue. It's like a mint blue. It's really pretty. So, yeah. I might get more of these. You never know. Okay. And I'll of course show you in detail during the storage video next month. Like, you know, open the doors and stuff. Just really quickly. And of course, I have to show the shelf every time I do a video, one of these home tours, because this shelf is literally like, iconic. This is just where I keep the majority of the Bath & Body Works stuff. This is just majority. There's so much, as you guys know, under the bed and the other closet. But yeah, just the soaps. These are just spring and summer stuff, you guys. Yeah, majority spring and summer. There's a few fall things. A few fall soaps and Christmas soaps over there, but everything else is pretty much spring and summer. Or stuff you can use all year round. Those are hand soaps, little gems right there, so cute. Little miniature travel size creams and pocket bag stuff. I think eventually I'm going to put all of this stuff right here in this drawer and then just fill this shelf completely with more stuff, because I'm still going to be hauling some more stuff online and in store for the rest of the month of June for SAS. There's summer stuff beginning of July, and then of course the fall stuff, and yeah. So I'm going to need a lot more stuff. This will be completely stacked. And then that'll be filled up. And then after that, we're just going to have to see what happens where I'm going to put the rest of it. Because there's going to stuff. And then the candles, girl, yeah. I'm not going to get any more candles for fall until I move. Because I'm going to need more room. Because if I do move into an apartment, it's going to be a 3-bedroom. Which I'm really excited. Me and my sister. And then the 3rd bedroom will be like a diva room. Filming / diva room, which will put the makeup, Bath & Body Works stuff. Kind of like storage diva room. Yeah, where I'm going to put the Bath & Body Works and makeup and everything else that I hoard, candles and whatever. It's going to be amazing. Of course, there'll be apartment tours every single season. There'll be a vanity room tour, beauty room. I mean, there's going to be all these tours coming up. Yeah, especially if I move out. Yeah, and if I don't move out, then here, of course. So anyway, I know, right? This shelf is iconic. I just love showing it. Spray, shower gels, creams, more shower gels, soaps, pocket bags. Yeah. Anyway, but this is new too. This is just excess clothing and purses and stuff like that. What's in here? Yeah. Makeup pouches, purches? Makeup bags, clutches, belts, and yeah, makeup pouches and, you know, you get the drill. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much all the stuff there. And now for more decor. Dollar Tree. You guys know my Dollar Tree is my ish. This pretty Independence Day hat from the Dollar Tree. Okay, everything else from Dollar Tree unless I say otherwise. How about that? Okay. Yeah, for 4th of July. These lays, gorgeous. This pink, lavender. Then we have this purple one. And my favorite are these rainbow ones, you guys. Oh my god. This is so bright and gorgeous. Honestly, I would wear this as a necklace, just like I would a plain dress. I'm that extra. I would do that. It's so pretty. I love those rainbow lays. Anything rainbow I just love, because rainbow is every color you want, right? It's perfect. These garlands, 4th of July, silver and red, white, and blue. Love the shooting star right there. Oh, I shook the camera. Sorry for that. I bumped my arm and I shook the camera. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much that. And more rainbow lays and pink lays. So, love these. These are from Dollar Tree. Everything from Dollar Tree. Love Dollar Tree. As you guys know, their decor is bomb.com. Okay, so what else are we gonna do? Oh, and of course this one, this garland right here. A little sneak peek at my, if you haven't seen it, if you know my channel, it's my little vanity place, makeup and stuff. Oh yeah, I still haven't done the makeup storage, you guys. That is coming soon as well. But a little sneak peek of my makeup storage. This is just the lip stuff. Not even all the makeup. This is just all the lip products. Yeah. It's pretty intense, right? These go kind of like, let's see how deep these are. These are like, yeah, it's like this deep. So, yeah. Lip balms, lip glosses, lip stains, liquid lips. I mean, you name it, it's there. It's a little sneak peek, why not? Some summer sunglasses I got from Target. And stuff like that. So, anyway, a little sneak peek at all that. I keep some pocket bags there. It's not really cute, that Diva. I think I have from Dinosaur Store, this Diva little thing here. It's really cute. Anyway, air cleaner to keep my room clean. That's everything in the room. Oh, of course, the unicorn. Gotta show her again. Her name's Layla. I love her. So cute. This is from Walmart, too. I got her, I think, in February. Or January. So, she's really pretty. I think out of February, but... yeah. Okay, you guys. That's that for that. Now let's go here. And more Dollar Tree decor. This cute little hearts. More lace. Pretty bright lace. I feel like every summer party needs to have lace, right? Gorgeous. Absolutely fabulous. Then we have more lace. You guys know me and my lay obsession. So pretty. Hawaii. I love anything Hawaii themed. More garland, 4th of July colors. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Over here. So these are new as well. Most of the stuff is new. Some stuff I have from the spring stuff, but this is all new. I love this. These balloon weights. Ooh, it looks like fireworks / palm trees. Looks really pretty. These are from the spring I kept there. And then I kept some of the spring flowers when I added the 4th of July themed ones. And then the butterflies I kept. Because they're too stinking cute. Yeah. And the vase is from Dollar Tree as well. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, love that as I crack my knuckle. Anyway, I moved some signs around and added it here from the bathroom. We're going to the bathroom next, but yeah, this one's really nice. Welcome to paradise. I just like anything tropical, right? Tropical fall, Hawaii, it all goes together. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Margaritas, anyone? Yes. Let's see, mermaids. Relax. Oh, tiki bar. Island party, tropical drinks. Ugh. These I kept from the spring. They're so pretty. These signs. I think I got those from... where did I get those from? Was it 99-cent store? Or Dollar Tree? I don't remember now. I think maybe 99-cent store, these signs. Sunshine, laughter, friends are always welcome. And then this one is... oh, let's see if this one is... friends are the flowers in the garden. This one's fairly new. Balloon weights. These are from the spring. It's cups, and I put the... these I had at the in the vase over there, and I put them here. These little butterfly sticks. And that's new. Balloon weight in blue for 4th of July. So, some old stuff that I had for a while and some new stuff. Of course, this is all stuff from the spring that I kept. Love Grows Here from, I believe, the Innocent store. Little cute shot glasses, a cactus. Shots. Yeah. So that is that. If you haven't seen the library, this is the library. My parents' library, because I don't like to read. You guys know that. I don't read, honey. So that's all my parents' stuff. But yeah, it's decorated, right? That's fun. Oh my god, most important thing, the American flag from Dollar Tree. Every American needs to have at least one American flag in their house, of course. Show the American pride, honey. And then these are so cute, these palm trees. Oh my god, from Dollar Tree. How cute are these? Little itty bitty palm trees. I mean, probably the cutest thing I got so far this spring and summer. So cute. Adorable. So that's it for upstairs. I do believe, let me look around and see. Did I miss anything? I think we're good, girl. Okay, let's go to the bathroom and then we'll go downstairs really quick. All right, this is the bathroom. So yeah, just a few things. Currently using this poolside punch. I'm almost done with that for Bath & Body Works soap. Like literally like 2 more uses and I'm done. And then the next one I'm going to use is this Lakeside Afternoon, which I am excited to use. It's just so good. You guys, if you haven't shopped Bath & Body Works SAS, you need to. And then the Sunset by the Pool I'm going to use. I heard from some people this isn't really scented, but for me this is scented, so I don't know. But I like the Sunset by the Pool spray, but I like it. I'm going to use that today as well. This sign, Make a Splash, Happy Summer, Good Times. I love the watermelon and the hot dog and the ice cream cone. Again, Dollar Tree. Great signs, you guys. That's me. Hi. Shirts from Walmart, I believe, in case you're wondering. Yeah, I'm not going to do too close up because I look okay. I just don't look, you know, 100 right now. Okay, Sandy Beach, Salt Water and Sunshine. Beautiful sign. Those signs are my favorite. They're so pretty. They do that every season. Different variations. These I kept from the spring. Little daisies and cute sunflowers. Balloon weights. And then I just added this 4th of July one. And these are from the spring. And then the 4th of July one, I think it's, yeah, that was new, yeah. And then I'm loving this scent. This is the shower gel right now. Maui Mango Surf. Oh my god, you guys. Stock up on this scent. It is amazing. At SAS right now, you will not be disappointed. Really, really good. Okay, you guys. So that's everything for spring and summer. So far, upstairs. A few things downstairs, and then we'll end it. It's really quick. I don't do a lot downstairs. My parents usually are downstairs mostly, and I don't like to clutter their area, you know. So usually upstairs is like my kind of, you know, my domain, if you want to call it that. But yeah, there's a few things downstairs. This one is flowers I had upstairs that we moved down here. Really pretty. I don't know where I got this vase, so yeah, sorry. These are fake, of course, and it's pretty. This has been there before. We'll put flowers in there sometimes too. And this plate, I don't know where we got this plate. It's my mom's plate. It's really pretty though. But yeah, it's really pretty. So yeah. And this little pineapple from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I had this for a while. Just really cute. So nothing screams summer more than pineapples. Very pretty. Okay, you guys. Well, that's pretty much it, you guys, for everything. So if you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Join the Diva Squad. Make sure to click the gray bell to be notified the second I upload a new video. Show some love. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video for sure. Yeah, more videos coming. Celine handbag collection coming hopefully very soon. More SAS hauls coming this week and throughout the month. So yeah, big online order coming this week hopefully. I'm gonna go Bath & Body Works probably tomorrow and see what's in my store. Of course, I can't stay away for too long. And then Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works in my mall, maybe later this week as well. So more hauls coming, of course. More videos and more fun. Q&A and story times coming soon as well. And yeah, just, you know me, more videos. Gonna upload as many as I can. Guys, I love uploading for you guys. A little quick little overview. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay fierce and fabulous. And of course, happy summer. Woo! Love you guys. Bye.